The next step in this is going to be in the routines. I don't have this part done yet, but it's going to be very similar to the way we do Slack messages. So I'm just going to go to this one here. What will happen is there will be a choice here for send notification. And whenever you choose that, you'll put in here what kind of message that you want to send as a notification and who you want to send it to, either to everybody or to an individual or set of individuals. You can choose which name that you would want to send it to. And then at that point, whenever the routine starts and it goes and does its thing, if there's ever a send notification action, it would then ding the little bell in the upper right corner. So that's where we're headed. That one's not there yet, but we'll get that sometime before next week's meeting.